Ultrasonic pest repeller DIY devices claim to deter rodents and insects by emitting high-frequency sound that humans do not hear. Ultrasonic emitters work by generating sound above the typical human hearing range to create an aversive environment for pests. So, start by choosing a unit rated for the size of the enclosed space you plan to treat and follow the manufacturer placement guidance. For best performance position, the plug-in device in open pathways where pests travel, such as along baseboards or near entry points, and avoid placing units behind furniture or soft furnishings because fabrics absorb and damp high-frequency waves. Use multiple units for split rooms or areas with many barriers because high-frequency sound does not pass through walls or most furniture effectively. Do not expect a single device to eradicate an infestation. Pair ultrasonic devices with exclusion techniques like sealing gaps larger than 1/4 inch, and set mechanical traps at likely routes to reduce numbers while testing the electronics. Run a simple baseline test by noting pest activity for a few days, turn devices on, and log changes weekly for 2 to 4 weeks to determine whether the devices are having any measurable effect. If you see no reduction after a month, remove the units and invest effort in exclusion, sanitation, and trapping, or consult a professional for targeted measures. 3 common mistakes are relying on these devices as the only method, placing units where sound is blocked by soft materials, and failing to perform simple empirical tests. Treating them as a standalone solution often delays effective action, so combine ultrasonic devices with physical exclusion and trapping immediately. Putting units behind sofas, curtains, or inside cabinets reduces their audible range for pests, so relocate them to unobstructed wall outlets or open areas. Not testing means you may spend money on ineffective gear, so keep a short activity log and stop using units that show no improvement after a month. We built BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and DIY guidance related to pest control and home repairs. We connect contractors looking for work with homeowners, and we host a discussion community where members share real-world experiences with products like ultrasonic pest repellers and practical tips for making them part of a broader non-lethal strategy.